classroom rules. It is very important that you must follow my classroom rules para dili masupuro si teachers, okay?
Yes, sir.
So the classroom rules is so first is respect everyone. Not only me na you respect, but also your classmates and seatmates. And rules number 2 is sit properly. So nakuha na yung maghinto dira, students. And the next is raise your right hands before you talk. So where's your right hand? This one or this one? This one. So yes, here's the right hand. Huh? So if you want to answer or ask questions, kindly raise your right hand. And the last rule is listen to the teachers always. So when I'm talking in front, you must listen to me. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Oy, wala ko nakasagot.
Yes, sir.
Again, the last rules is listen to the teacher always. Understood?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and now let's have the first activity. Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the first activity that we will do is we're gonna use this addition machine. So I'm gonna open this addition machine. So,
Wow.
as you can see na ay
Battle.
battle? No, plastic cups. So
Plastic.
what? We're gonna do this. Huh? So itong battle na ni. So, for example, I have 2 Max candy at my right hand. At my left hand, I have 2 another candies. So, did you know this is what candy? Silver? So,
Yes.
ikaw man eh.
Yes.
Ikaw man eh. Alam niyo yan? So, when I drop these 2 candies, 1, 2, and then I'm gonna drop again 2 candies, 1, 2. So, pila ka candies ang na-drop diri.
Ako.
Okay, Erica.
Ako counter ha.
Okay, ikaw.
1, take 1,
Guys, please observe.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, very good. And that, let's give Erica a very good clap. You know the very good clap?
No.
So I'm going to do it first, so you must observe. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Did you?
Tuloy ako sa Erika, sir.
Yes, you must go into Erica. So, may nag-answer. So, let's please stand up. But Erica, you must sit down. Okay? Yeah, with 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. So, dapat yun mga attentive mo o participative students, ha? Para katagaan mo
Reward.
reward or accolades. So, sakto din si Erika, 4 candies ang nakuha na drop din sa addition machine. So, let's have another problems. So, when I have, what if I have 3 candies here, and I have 1 candy in my left hand. So, how many candies did I got? So, let's drop it. So, first, 1, 2, 3, another bangag, 1. So, how many candies did I drop in the addition machine?
Maricel tried what answer?
Oh, Marisa, did you know the answer?
Basig 4.
4. So, let's check it out. So, please sit down. Sit down in line. So, let's check if Marcel got the correct answer. So, first, the 3 candy at the right hand. 1, 2, 3, and another candy. 4. So, Marcel got the correct answer. So, please give him a round of applause. So, very good to guys. You know, naka-answer mo. Ginutuman pa mo sa inyong parents, honey?
Wala.
Wala.
Hindi ka namin teacher.
Ano, very good, Gidoy. And the question is, what could be the time So 1 plus 1 equals? So unsa man si 2? Sam, very good. Kay siya man ang answer sa duha. Kag imumbay na numbers. Very good kayo. And let's do the example number 2. So 4 plus 6. Unsa may tawag ni 4 o 6? Ades. Oy, ang duha sa liyo gatapi. So remember the 4 clues. Listen the teacher always.
Sorry, teacher.
Oh, it's okay. That's why you must listen, huh? Okay, again. Miriam and Gimula. So, kung saan galing ni ang 4 plus 6? So, tawag mo? Adens. Very good. And 4 plus 6 equals to? 10. Ano si tawag sa 10? Sam. Very good. And now, let's have another activity. Let's have another activity, huh? Are you excited for our next activity?
Yes, teacher.
Oh my God. Excited sila. Oh! Wait. It's a students. So I have an apple here, okay? But before we start our activity, please kindly get your paper and pencil, huh?
Okay,
So unsa may buhaton na to anong pencil o paper? Tuluan na mo strategy unsa ang pag-solve ang addition. Nagkuha na ba?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, I'm gonna put one apple at the green color and another one apple during some violet color. So, unsa may buhaton sa inyong sa pencil o sa paper? So, mag-baglis-baglis mo. First, bilang man akong gibutang na